you also have younger players coming through that now need more time on the field. So do you level out and give the younger players more time through 2026?
Yeah, I think how you see the team being selected now on a more regular basis is based on that thing. I think the fact that you see guys like Sasha being selected every weekend, a guy like Mani being selected every weekend, Kanan being selected every weekend, you see the younger guys being selected more often is a clear indicator that the older guys who are in their early 30s are, some of them probably not going to make it to 2027 or will be there as a backup role.
Would that then potentially be the bomb squad position?
Yeah, either bomb squad or maybe like older guy in the squad to be there as a mentor.
Okay.
He still plays. He can still play and he can still add value to the squad, but he might just be there as a like mentor. Like maybe if Andre gets selected less and less and less, he might be like a big mentor role to Sasha.